Have you ever looked at a blank page and felt inspired? Now imagine turning that blank page into a thriving business. If you're someone who loves creativity, organization, and design, then a personalized stationery and planners business might just be the perfect idea for you. Let's walk through a complete business plan, from concept and products to marketing, pricing, and everything in between. Whether you want to sell online, at events, or even internationally, this plan is for you. Step 1. Why personalized stationery works so well. Even in the digital age, paper hasn't lost its charm. In fact, it's more special than ever. People love physical products that help them stay organized, set goals, track habits, reduce screen time, and most importantly, express themselves. A customized planner or journal isn't just functional. It feels personal, thoughtful, and unique. That's why customers are willing to pay more for something made just for them. This market has grown steadily, especially in students, teachers, business owners, wedding, event planners, productivity lovers, mental wellness seekers. Step 2. What you can sell. Start by offering 3 to 5 products with clear customization options. Here's a list of hot-selling personalized items. Planners. Daily, weekly, monthly, undated. Custom journals, blank, lined, guided, gratitude, desk pads or to-do lists. Budget or finance trackers, habit and mood trackers. Student study planners, wedding planning books, corporate notepads or gifts. Kids' name-based notebooks. Stationery kits with sticky notes, pens, bookmarks. You can also include add-ons like stickers, washi tape, custom bookmarks, affirmation cards. Step 3. How to customize offer. Different personalization styles such as name on cover, monogram initials, choose font style or color theme, select page types, lined, dotted, grid. Add quotes or affirmations inside, choose start date for planners. You can create templates in Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or Affinity Designer and allow users to fill out a custom order form online. Step 4. Costing and equipment. Here's how much it might cost to get started on a small scale. Item cost, USD, high-quality printer $150 to $300 premium paper. Bulk, $50 to $100 spiral binding tools, $40 to $80 paper trimmer and tools, $30 to $50 packaging materials, $50 to $70 Canva Pro. Design tools $10 to $20 month website or order form setup. $50 to $100 sample product shoots. $50 to $100 total estimated startup cost, $400 to $700. Tip: if you don't want to print at home, partner with a local print shop and focus only on design plus packaging. Step 5. Pricing and profit. Your products can sell at 2 to 3x the production cost because of their value and uniqueness. Example pricing. Product cost to make sell price. Custom notepad, 150 Botzlers, $6 to 10 personalized planner, $420 to $30. Journal, $315 to $25. Digital download planner, 05 to 15, 100% profit. Digital versions have zero inventory and offer recurring income. With strong branding and packaging, your margins can reach 150 to 200%. Step 6. Branding and design aesthetic. Your brand should reflect your ideal customer, minimal, feminine, academic, or fun. Pick a unique business name, color palette logo, typography, examples of aesthetic names, the Scribble Studio, Plan plus Bloom, Your Paper Story, Daily Muse Co., The Organized Dreamer. Use free tools like Canva and look into packaging suppliers that match your aesthetic. Craft boxes, pastel envelopes, or printed tissue paper. Add a freebie with every order. Motivational quote card, small stickers, or a handwritten thank you note. Step 7. Marketing plan. Here's how to spread the word and start getting orders. Instagram and Pinterest post. Before, after designs. Reel of packing an order. Plan with me videos. Testimonials, time-lapse of custom planner creation, journaling ideas or productivity hacks. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Design My Dream Planner. How I create a $30 custom journal. POV, you order your first personalized notepad. Etsy, great for international buyers. Website, Shopify, Wix, or Gumroad. Google Forms for manual orders. Collaborate with influencers in studygram communities, productivity coaches, brides, teachers, and self-help pages. Run promotions like 10% off for first-time orders. Bundle 3 products for a lower price. Free shipping weekend limited edition collections for New Year, Ramadan, back to school. Step 8. How to scale. Once you've validated your products, scale by hiring a VA or assistant to help with packaging, launching a monthly planner box, selling digital versions for passive income, offering corporate bulk orders, creating a planner, plus course combo for productivity, budgeting, self-care. Closing words. This business is more than selling paper. You're helping people take control of their lives in an organized, beautiful, and inspiring way. If you love creativity, want flexibility, and enjoy design, this business can bring joy to others and income to you. So take the first step. Design your first planner. Set up your Instagram. Launch your small but powerful brand. The world is ready for your paper magic.